now meet Donna Adelson.
Making good progress on the snacks that we've provided to you.
Hispanic male? Or it's probably the same guy from yesterday. You might see them making out and stuff. You're in for a show.
It's been a long trial, so you are entitled.
Well, I'm a domestic coordinator.
We now meet Donna Adelson from Coral Springs, Florida. I want to hear all about you, Donna. Let's go.
Well, I'm a domestic coordinator. Domestic coordinator.
There she is, the boss, Donna Sue Adlesen, appearing on the show Wheel of Fortune, explaining to the world that she's a domestic coordinator from Coral Springs, Florida. Let's watch.
A domestic coordinator?
Coordinator, yes. I'm responsible for the activities, classes, and lessons of my son Robert, who is 16.
That's the entire Adlesen clan with Robert there on the left.
Charlie, who is 12.
Growing up, what was your family like?
It was pretty normal. I was the middle of 3 children. My dad was a dentist. My mom was a school teacher.
Domestic coordinator.
Not a school teacher, Charlie boy. She was a domestic coordinator.
Played a lot of sports. Pretty normal upbringing.
Wendi, who is 10.
Wendi Adelson.
This sweet angel, of course, is Donna Sue's daughter, Wendi Jill Adelson. This picture shows exactly what she wore at each trial. For the first and second trial, she wore the same exact outfit. She just did her hair a little bit differently. And in the third trial, she finally chose to wear something different, but she decided to straighten her hair. And there's our sweet angel being recorded by the FBI dropping her kids off at school.
Hispanic male?
Stand by, I got people in a car on the way right now.
So far, it's probably the same guy from yesterday. You might see them making out and stuff.
Based upon the FBI surveillance videos, we've come to learn that Wendi Jill prefers Latino men, and multiple times the agents caught her making out with various brown men throughout the years.
You're in for a show.
Welcome to the weakest link.
When I was little, I wanted to be a giraffe.
Is there anything else you've ever dreamed of?
Well, I was in the circus for a while.
That's our sweet angel following in Donna Sue's footsteps, appearing on a game show, The Weakest Link.
As a contortionist.
My husband Harvey, who's in the audience.
And there's Harvey sitting in the audience at Donna's last court appearance.
I don't want to give it to you. Why do I have to? Because my attorney said not to. Why do I have to give it to you?
And there's the boss getting arrested as she tried to board a flight to Saudi Arabia to eventually go to Vietnam. And like a boss, she didn't allow those officers to grab her phone.
Please, can I help? No, you can't join me there. Oh, don't do this, please.
Please.
Oh,
someone's got to help him get home. This is terrible. You can't do this. This is insane.
And always the good soldier, Harvey was begging to go with Donna Sue, but the cops wouldn't allow him.
Talk to that for me.
And there it is, the final kiss in this beautiful love story.
On 11/6/2023, Donna sends a text to Wendi, "Your brother protected you for years. Now you are not guilty. Your law lawyer took very good care of you. You can bury me in the dress that I bought for Lincoln's bar mitzvah."
The mental lawyer has a YouTube channel and has been covering this case for years. They obtained the text messages sent from Donna Sue after old Charlie Boy was found guilty.
This text from Donna is the most incriminating, according to mental lawyer. The sentence, "Your brother protected you for years," in context can be interpreted to mean that Donna Adlesen knows that the extortion defense Charlie testified about at trial is false. This suggests that Donna knows or believes that Wendi was involved. This interpretation is buttressed by the next sentence. "Now you are not guilty." A fair interpretation of this sentence is that Donna knows that Wendi is complicit, but now her story is that she had nothing to do with it, and now that her brother is convicted of the murder,
the defendant is guilty of first-degree murder. Count 2. We, the jury, find as follows: conspiracy to commit first-degree murder. The defendant is guilty of conspiracy to commit first-degree murder.
Donna may believe that Wendi will never face justice.
Keep in mind that the mental lawyer, along with many others, including Judy, the YouTube lawyer, believe that Wendi Jill is guilty, so their interpretation of these text messages are a bit biased.
The next phrase, "Your law lawyer took very good care of you," suggests that Donna believes that Wendy's lawyer took care of her without caring for how what he did to take care of Wendi harmed the other Adelsens. You can bury me in the dress I bought for Lincoln's bar mitzvah.
Because I have a narcissistic Jewish mom, I'm in a special position to interpret this line. This is what we call up here Jewish guilt.
The final sentence is reasonably interpreted as Donna trying to make Wendi feel guilty for getting away with it and helping convict her brother, who did do the murder to protect her. At least, according to mentor lawyer, this is how prosecutors will likely argue the meaning of this strong piece of evidence.
Those of you in the Wendi is guilty camp will eventually come to learn that Charlie Boy was acting independently to please the narcissistic mother.
We know you never ask anything about your brother, but we just got off the phone with him, and the first thing he asked was, how's Wendi holding up? I didn't have the heart to tell him that you never called us or asked about you.
Classic narcissistic behavior here. Donna Sue is referring to somebody else, Charlie, but she really means her.
I just said we weren't up to phone calls right now. Everyone looks to protect you. I bet you've got a lot to think about. Wendi responded the following day, Dear Mom, I know you're upset by the verdict.
Dear Mom, I know you are upset by the verdict.
That's Donna Sue reading the text messages to one of her Yenta friends on a phone call for which she thought hung up, but in fact, it was still recording, and it eventually led to her arrest.
But the anger directed at me is not justified. I don't know how much anger, really don't. I'm not responsible in any way for Charlie's situation. I am not guilty because I did not do anything wrong, and I was not involved in any way with Danny's death. When I was interviewed by the police and testified in court, I told the truth, as I was required to do. I cannot control how the prosecutor used my statements at Charlie's trial. Again, I didn't say that. Also, as you know, my lawyer has advised me not to talk to my family or anyone else about this case. No, about the case, which is true, we've never done it. I followed his advice despite your disagreements with this guidance. Please do not text me about this case anymore. Not about the case, is it? Not what I said. About her brother, and that he wants, how are you, Wendi? How's my sister holding up?
This has nothing to do with Charlie Boy. A narcissist needs supplies, people that always agree with her. And the one thing a narcissist cannot stand is when you do not respond to them. A narcissist needs their supply to respond and respond promptly.
If you have anything further to say about the case, please go through our lawyers. Right now, I have to be singularly focused on taking care of the boys during this difficult time.
The Hispanic male, so forth, probably the same guy from yesterday. You might see them making out and stuff. You're in for a show.
As the video shows, she was definitely taking care of some boys. It just wasn't her sons.
So I wrote back, okay, we have no desire to speak with you about the case.
Okay, we have no desire to speak with you about the case. I guess Dad and I are just shocked that you didn't think of coming to see us or even calling us.
Beautiful use of Jewish guilt by old Donna Sue there.
I guess Dad and I are just shocked that you didn't think of coming to see us or even calling us. We are your parents. We are and have always been there for you and the boys. None of what we wrote matters about the case. That's over. I just want you to know how many times Charlie is asking about you. Not only do you not ask about us, but not one question about Charlie.
Remember, this is all about the narcissist Donna Sue. She does not care about Charlie, but she wants her daughter to respond to her. But what drives a narcissist crazy is when you ignore them. They cannot handle that.
We will need to give you some information shortly, and we need some business assistance. Please let us know if you can be of any help. I have a safe here. I want to give her codes. We're going to be gone. I want her to have all this information. I have a cemetery property. I want her to see all that. I want her to have all these papers.
All of that is classic narcissistic deflection. What she really wants is a response from her supply.
Wills, I want her to see all this. So please let us know if you can be of any help. The other thing is the visa, which she would know about. We need some business assistance. Please let us know. If not, we'll try to find someone who can help us. This needs an immediate reply.
At this time, Donna's plotting to escape to Vietnam. Their first stop was Saudi Arabia, and then the next flight was to old Vietnam.
I can start asking other people to help. And then she always gets nervous if we want to talk to her. So I wrote, don't get nervous.
Don't get nervous. Again, nothing about the case.
Again, nothing, in capital letters, nothing about the case.
If you have a narcissist in your life, the worst thing you could do to harm them is to not respond to them.
Just would like to show you some business stuff and personal things. If you can't do it, we must find someone who can. I hope you understand that it has nothing to do with the case. There is no more case.
At 11:01 a.m., Donna continues.
She continues because there is no response.
By the way, you said that you had to focus on the boys. Have you told them?
And then I wrote, by the way, you said you have to focus on the boys. Have you told them?
3 days later, Donna continues. I don't know if you were in the car taking Ben to the airport, or if you've already done that. Please give us a call when it's a good time, because we need to see you for some things today, with or without redacted name.
That's our attorney.
Either will be fine. I don't know if he has plans. At 12:08, she continues, I never looked at the list of people you invited to the bar mitzvah, but I haven't spoken with Luella in months. We have texted about once a week when she tells me what else is wrong with her, another cold, another cough, headache, back to another doctor. But we actually are just occasionally text message friends again. I don't know if you invited her or not, but she really is no longer a friend. I also hope you did not invite Seth and Jen. I only last spoke to them 6 months ago. I don't hear anything from them.
Classic Jewish narcissistic mother behavior. It's very important who her daughter invites to a bar mitzvah, because sometimes you don't like people at that given time. Those of you not familiar with this situation may not understand what's going on here.
And at 12:09, the final text sent from Donna, too much going on, and I don't mean to bother you with this. But again, I have no idea who you invited.
And my dog, Sam.
And how old is Sam?
5.
5. Well, good. Give him our best.
Okay.
Nice to have you here. All right. Do still your turn. Letter, please. L. No L. Donna.
M.
Yes, there are 2 M's. Let them come up. You have 5 seconds. Person.
The boss, Donna Sue, getting 2 M's there. She decided not to solve the puzzle in order to toy with these 2 chumps that she was playing with.
K. Yes. K.
Mustard maker.
Nope. Still
Mustard
time.
maker.
Stu. H, please. Yes, there's 1 H. Time starts now. Person.
Mustache maker?
Donna.
F.
Yes.
Mischief maker.
Yeah, that's it, Donna.
Like a boss, Donna Sue solving the puzzle.
Well, we have 3 winners here, and that's very nice. Congratulations on your
I only see one winner, the boss, Donna Sue.
$2,900, and thanks very much for being here, Donna. Likewise, you.
Look how great the boss, Donna Sue Adelson, looks there. And what a long, strange trip it's been for Donna Sue, starting from her early childhood in New York and eventually ending up in Coral Gables, Florida. Nobody knows what's next for Donna Sue and the rest of the Adelson clan, as the future is unwritten. But there is one thing that is certain, that I tell you each and every time we meet. You don't fuck with Donna Sue Adelson.
You think anyone's gonna believe that flower truck?
Babe, this is Miami. They'll believe anything.
No, it can't be. Are you absolutely sure?
So, what brings you gentlemen to this fine establishment?
We heard the coffee was good, but the company is even